Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brannis. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. If you're new here, thank you. So in today's video, and if you're new, please subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about everything concerning skin, but my hair has really grown. I'm just from washing it. You can see. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about skincare, and mostly I'm going to base on this product. Yeah, that one. So for me, I used to have clear skin until I was like 18, 19, 20 there in campus. That's when my skin just decided to misbehave. I tried all products in the market. I tried Garnier products, they didn't work. And then I tried simple products, they didn't work. I tried using benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide was just too harsh for my skin, but for other people it works. But for my skin it didn't work. And then I tried which products? Simple, Garnier, African black soap. It was harsh for my skin. And if you know cleanser, the best cleanser, just comment down below so that I can try it. I haven't yet found the best cleanser for my skin. Then I tried those natural things, I don't know, lemon, those ones, turmeric, they didn't work. But this product, I've been using it for about a month and it's really working miracles. So I used to have acne here, all of here, but the skin is glowing. So I'm going to tell you how it works and basically how to use it. So tretinoin or retinin or retin A or tretinoin, it's just a cream used to treat acne, fine lines. It can't treat wrinkles, those deep wrinkles, even the damaged skin, to improve the appearance of your skin, dark marks or damaged skin from the sun. So it's basically used for that. How it works: basically, tretinoin speeds up the life cycle of skin cells. So the skin cells, they just die fast and grow fast. So that's why when you're using it, you're advised not to be scrubbing your face or exfoliating your face. So you're advised at least to just use it because it works as an exfoliator. So when using it, when you're using tretinoin or retin A, at least don't scrub your face. Yes, because this one is an exfoliator by itself. The product costs 200 bob or 200 to 250, but it's a prescription. You can go to your dermatologist or you can even go to a chemist and get it. Kenya is just Kenya. So basically it works that way. You can find other brands called Retin A, Stiva, Tretinoin X, Accutane, Avita, Altreno, those ones. It's just a generic name for synthetic vitamin A. And if you are wondering what the difference between tretinoin and retinol, retinol is just a natural form and tretinoin is a synthetic form, but tretinoin is more stronger than retinoin. So that's the only difference between tretinoin and retinol. Yes. And then, so I've just said the importance and how. So I'm going to tell you how you should apply these things. You should apply mostly during the night. After applying your moisturizer, you put a pea size, just small quantity of this product. I'm not going to put it because will show me. So I'm not going to put it. You just put a small size, you apply on your face, then on top of it you add another moisturizer. So that is during the night, after washing your face, that is. Then in the morning, you shouldn't even put it each and every morning because this thing makes your skin become thinner, so your skin will be destroyed with the sun. So you should make sure that you're putting sunscreen while putting this product. And if you know the best sunscreen, just comment down below. I'll try it for you and then I'll tell you the results. So you first put your moisturizer, this product. You should make your skincare routine very simple. Don't use those active ingredients with these ones like the vitamin C, E. Just use a moisturizer, this one, and a sunscreen during the day, and then during the night the same way. And then your face wash or cleansers, you should make sure that they're not those strong ones like African black soaps. So just apply it. And when you are starting to use tretinoin, make sure you are starting like twice a week. Then you go for you build up the product slowly. Let's say you are starting with twice a week, then thrice, 4, 5, then morning and evening, or even evening alone. So this product is very strong. And then do your research. It can cause purge, it can cause readiness, you can hurt yourself using this thing. So at least you can even break out from using this thing. So at least make sure that you do your research, go see your dermatologist before using it. Thank you, bye. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.